Hello, you are welcome back. This is another tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll explain online cab booking system. This project is to book the cars. This was particularly a single company who owns multiple cars and their customers can hire these cars. So this project is very useful for the students who are supposed to do project in their final year, or people are looking for a job, they need a kind of experience. I think this project will help you once you complete this project. So please watch the complete video and you can try to do the whole project yourself, or you can contact us. So this is a ASP.NET C# SQL Server web application project. That means it's a ASP.NET project by using the C# language, and the backend is SQL Server. Online cab booking system. In this, so here's a company who providing the cabs, multiple cabs, and customer, here's a customer can book the cab. So once they book the cab, company knows this customer is booked this particular cab for the particular day. They can give this cab to this customer. After that, they can do the online billing and this customer has to make the payment. It is an entry-level project. Basically, it will have two modules. Now let us look at the software requirements. What are the softwares we required? So basically the whole thing is HTML, so all design, but we are using Visual Studio, particularly Visual Web Developer. So when you design the pages, automatically HTML will be created. Therefore, we don't need to do anything with HTML. But the programming is done with the C# language and the backend is SQL Server. Project design. In this, as we said, there are two modules. One is admin module, other one is a customer module. Database tables. So here we are using 8 tables. One is admin users tab, cab billing tab, cab booking tab, cab details tab, car model tab, customer tab, and then place name tab. So please subscribe to our channel. We will come out with more project demos. So therefore you can able to watch them and you can try to do it yourself, or you can contact us, or you can buy from us. Fine. So now let us start the project in Visual Web Developer and see how the project works. So in order to work with this, I just start Visual Web Developer, or else you can use Visual Studio. Both will do the job. So this is the 2010 Express edition. It's a free edition. So we are using Visual Web Developer 2010. So cab management. So click on the cab management if you already opened it, or else go to the particular location and select the folder that will open the project. Fine. Now let us run the project. So in order to run the project, you have to click on Start Debugging. So here you can see project is running now. This is the main page, a simple page, but you can redesign what way you want. So this is the one image, this is another image. Here is some label and here is a link. So continue, if you click continue to take me to the next page. So on that link, if I click, it will take to the next page where you'll have a customer login and admin login. These are the two modules. Admin in the sense company people, they can log in here. So therefore click admin. So here is the user ID and the password. So user ID is admin and the password is also admin, and click login. So it'll take me to the admin main page. So in this we can enter car model. So if I click list, it'll show the list which is already entered. So we entered already one car, the Maruti Alto. Right. So if you want to enter one more, we can go to that. You'll enter the model name. So let's say Maruti. So this is Baleno. So new model car. Save. A record saved. Next, cab details. So under this particular model, which are the cabs are available. So if you go to Maruti Baleno, so there is a cab number. So let's say K05 M 1122. Cab details. So it's a new model cab from Maruti. Fine. Total seats. So 3. Per day charges. So per day it will cost you 2,500. Save this. Record saved successfully. Now if you go to list, it will show the list here. So that 2 cars are available. Now here is a customer list. If I click customer list, so there are customers are showing here. So we go to customer side. We copy the main address. So click plus and then paste the same address again in the new tab. Now here is another tab and we'll come back to the main page again. We'll continue here. Customer login. So if you are new sign up, you go to new sign up and you have to fill up all the detail and you have to sign up. If you already signed up, then you can log in here, A1. So vehicle list, you can able to see the vehicles. So there are 2 vehicles are there. Now you want to book the vehicle. So you can go to book. So this Maruti Baleno, which are the cars under this category will be shown over there here. 3 seats and 2,500 per day. So select this car. Customer name, who is the customer? So let's say Arun is the customer. Number second main. Then you can enter the mobile number. Number of days, how many days you want? 2 days. And then from date, 1/10/2020. So details. So we would like to travel to Goa. Right. After filling all this, book a cab. Okay. Right. So you can go back to home. Booking list. So we'll show the booking list, which are the vehicles you have booked. Fine. As for admin side also, same will be reflected. If I go to booking list, you can see that new booking. So that is Arun, and he booked for this vehicle or for this particular day. So therefore you can reserve that vehicle for him. Then once the customer take the vehicle and if he coming back, then we can raise the bill for this. Select. So that is 2,500. So total it's 5,000 rupees. Save. So we can raise the customer billing. On the other side, even customer can able to see this billing. So it will filtered for him only. So which are the one you booked. So for that bill will be shown over there here. So after that you can log out. And in this side also we can log out. So therefore these are 2 modules. One is the admin module. One is a customer module. So therefore admin can create a new models. I can create the new cabs. And you can able to see the customer list. You can see the booking list. You can do the billing and you can do the billing list. So the customer is concerned, you can able to see the vehicle list. You can book the vehicle. You can see the bookings, what are the bookings you done. Then you can able to see the billing list. As I told already, it's an entry level project. We can keep improve this. So we suggest try to do this project in ASP.NET with C#. And once you complete this much, then you can try for new things. Fine. So in case you wish to buy this project, please contact us. Thank you.